Occupation administration led by the Delhi-installed Lieutenant Governor Manoj Sinha has stirred fresh controversy in occupied Kashmir by initiating a move to make Sanskrit education mandatory in schools across the territory. The move comes just days after India's Central Tribunal scrapped Urdu language as a qualifying criterion for the post of the Naib Tehsildar in the territory, sparking allegations of the cultural imposition in the territory. Oppressed and the caged people of the occupied Kashmir are living under constant fear due to unrelenting state terrorism, including the house raids and massive coordinated search operations carried out by the Indian forces across the territory. All Parties Hurriyat Conference spokesman Advocate Abdul Rashid Minhas, in a statement issued in Srinagar, said that India has turned the entire occupied Kashmir into a battle where the Indian forces and the agencies are spilling the blood of the innocent Kashmiris with the impunity. In a horrifying case of custodial abuse that occurred months ago but has recently come to the light, a Muslim police constable in occupied Kashmir, Khurshid Ahmad Chauhan, was illegally detained and brutally tortured at the Joint Interrogation Center in the Kupwara, leading to his complete castration. Chauhan was summoned for questioning in a narcotics case but was instead subjected to inhumane torture at the center jointly run by the Indian Army, police and the agencies. Doctors have raised serious concern over the deteriorating health condition of the illegally detained Kashmiri Hurriyat leader Bilal Siddiqui, who has been languishing in the central jail Srinagar for the past 3 years. Bilal Siddiqui, a staunch advocate of the Kashmiris' right to self-determination, is reportedly suffering from a severe kidney infection. A court in the Jammu region of the occupied Kashmir has awarded life imprisonment to 2 Kashmiri men in decades-old case of alleged abduction and murder, raising serious concerns over the impartiality of the India's judicial system in the occupied territory. Principal Sessions Judge sentenced Mohammad Mumtaz and Farooq Ahmed to life imprisonment under charges registered more than 20 years ago. A group of the Srinagar-based human rights activists has expressed serious concern over the deteriorating human rights situation in occupied Kashmir and across India. The activists, in a joint statement with their last names marks on the letter due to the fear of reprisal, warned that India under Narendra Modi government is increasingly becoming a hostile ground for the minorities, dissenters and the rights defenders.